Yeah, I mean, this is yeah, honest. This is an honest review. So, wireless works. Like if you wanna play multiplayer and stuff, wireless works. It actually works. Even when you have 4K, even when you have 4K textures, you can play without much lag, but you're still gonna have lag spikes. So that's why you're gonna use you're gonna have a fucking you're gonna still want a network cable, but you can still play. You can still use wireless. It still works. Like if it's on 5G, so if you want to play multiplayer, you can still use wireless. It still works, but wired is always going to be. It's just more solid because you have. Because it's just. There's no. There might be variations in speed, but it's not. It's just better than. It's just better than wireless. So unless wireless gets like what is it, 7G or 6G, or it becomes even better. But like now, wireless is really good. Even when you literally have 4K resolution, you can still play, multiplayer with wireless. You can still use it, but wired is still better. So cat, what is it now? Cat 7 or cat? Is it cat 8? Like the cable, but most people have cat 6. So cat 6, fucking Ethernet cable. So, but wireless still works. You can still play. You can play multiplayer with wireless, but you're still gonna want to use. It might even have been the Xbox servers that actually the and I'm talking like, because you can see when you play now, you can see where they're from. So playing people from the Middle East, playing people from America. It literally says America one, like servers like on wireless, and it was okay. The connection was actually good. So literally, you know, so you can literally use, you know, you literally, from America and freaking America and Middle East wireless, and it actually was okay. But wired is still better, unless it was the Xbox server, so they might. But wired is always going to be better, so that's the way to go. Still, but wireless is good. You're playing from America, and it actually worked. It was okay. So wireless is good now. If it's 5G or 6G or whatever they're at, so yeah. But wireless is still better. So that's what it is.